at first I didn't know of this exam. Like I had just barely gotten off from my GCSE, and then I had started my 11th, and then I had heard of this exam from my sirs and colleagues. So then I was skeptical about it because the CET syllabus had changed, the difficulty had increased. So I didn't know how could an exam, an competitive exam, like help me gauge in this. But once I started, I took its exams. These papers were always one level higher than what the CET could actually give. So, and everything, the whole atmosphere, how it was conducted, everything was according to what it should be. And also the Deeper app which we have on the mobile is really helpful. It has practice exams and some lectures, and also that really helped me to gain confidence over my weak points, especially physics. And I would like to thank all the dignitaries here for helping it become a success. So that's it. Thank you.
First of all, I don't know what to talk. I mean, it's a dream come true for us. My husband had always, he's also engineer, and he had dreamed of, he has taken admission, Priyesh Vakharia has taken admission in VJTI, computer science. So it's a dream come true. And as Priyesh was saying, this year the level of CET has changed. I mean, they have brought it to the JEE main levels. And we didn't know, I mean, everybody was worried how the papers will be, how will it be set. When Priyesh appeared for this deeper exam, he had a little bit idea, because as Priyesh said, the deeper level was a little bit tougher than the normal CET. So then he started getting confidence, yes mama, if I can do deeper, definitely I can appear for the raised CET levels. So I thank the deeper people, the people who are setting the papers and who are giving us the right feedback. Yes, you can, you're really doing a wonderful job, and please do it in future also. Thank you so much.
My name is Mr. Mahendra Javeri. I am grandfather of Priyesh. Priyesh is a very sincere and hard-working student from the beginning. And I would like to share one information with you that in the 10th standard exam, he appeared the London board exam without attending any class. Self-study he has done, and no class he has attended till 10th standard. Then today he has brought the honor to his grandparent. I am really thankful and grateful to Deepa for inviting us on this auspicious day and before the very great gathering of very great people. So this day today will remain in our sweet memory, and we will remember it forever. Thank you so much for inviting us and be with us, this such a nice gathering. Thank you so much. Thank you.